I'm Nizio and I'm going to do a Loot Crate unboxing. So I just started getting these. This is my first one and I've never actually had anything like this before. So this is kind of exciting. I just had a tiny little peek down in it earlier because I was so curious because the email said that you got something that was limited edition, so I was super excited. So this month's theme is heroes, because last month was apparently villains. So this month is heroes, and yeah. So opening it, the first thing I see is these hilarious Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles sunglasses. If I'm not completely wrong, I think the purple ones are Raphael. So, I mean, I'm gonna look so fly. Turtle matches my hair too. So these are fun. Sunglasses, probably not UV protective, but fun. And you get the Loot Crate pin. Focus please. Go! For August. Heroes. So this is the limited edition. This is Loot Crate exclusive, and it's a glow-in-the-dark Groot. And it's super cute. I think his hand on this side is the part that glows in the dark. So I did my vlog on Guardians of the Galaxy, and we all know how I feel about it. So I'm super stoked about this one. And it's so cute. Let's unwrap it. And it's a ball hat. Oh, yay! How cute is that? So he's gonna sit on my desk next to Darth Vader. And next is Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Leonardo. And this is a money, I think, if I'm not wrong. Kid Robot, that is. And these are the kind that you also can buy blank, so you can paint. This one has little swords. And the purple one is Donatello. So I have Donatello glasses. But there's different ones you can get, but this one is Leonardo. I haven't seen the movie yet, and I don't actually have any previous relationship to these because they were sent on a TV channel that I never had. And the camera's like unfocusing like crazy. It's not good. Next one up is, oh my god, apple cinnamon scented air freshener in Mega Man. This is also a TV show that or movie, I'm not sure, that I never actually watched, but apple cinnamon smells so good. So good. So I'm just gonna hang this up. And it's so cool! It's shoe wings! I don't know if you can see. Okay, so this is like wings that you tie in your laces on your shoes so that your shoes get wings! And I've always actually wanted shoes with wings, so this is kind of awesome. I'm not sure which shoes I'm gonna put them on, but I'm gonna put them on something that will probably look awesome. Like a pair of boots, maybe. Maybe I'll put them on my winter boots. So let's see. And this is Chimichango's The Breakfast of Anti-Heroes. This is Deadpool, and it's a magnet. Let's see. There we go. It's just a magnet and it looks like a cereal. And I'm pretty sure it's, yeah, Wade Wilson's Chimichangas. Yeah. And here's, let's see, bonus digital loot. What's included? This is a game, and you get stuff from Doctor Who, the Defense Grid, The Awakening, a unique spin on tower defense gameplay that will appeal to players of all skill levels. It's up to the player to stop the invading enemies. And Gauntlets. The classic Gauntlet 4-player co-op action gameplay returns in a completely new experience. Battle the endless hordes of foes and fight for your glory. So you get, for the complete Defense Grid game, and Loot Crate exclusive in-game helm for Gauntlet, and unlocks 11 Doctors, Rose Tyler, Clara, and K9 in the Doctor Who app. I don't actually have any of these, but I'm going to check them out. At least the Doctor Who. I'm actually going to a Doctor Who viewing on Saturday, and I'm super excited. I'm going to do a vlog later about my new place. This is my new room. It's a tiny bit more clean than my last room, and kind of a lot, and not so cluttered because I couldn't bring everything in here. Stop unfocusing. I think I'm supposed to do thinning over here. Let's do that. Yeah, and this is the Loot Crate magazine thingy, which just tells you a little bit about the stuff you get, and then a little bit about heroes and about Loot Crates. So this one's kind of nice. Origin of Heroes. I'm Groot. I'm super excited about this Groot. So yes, this was my Loot Crate. It's all I need. All empty. But these were fun. There's actually no t-shirt in here, which is kind of a bummer. I was kind of hoping for a t-shirt. But I got a lot of fun stuff. I'm very excited about these. I'm gonna put the magnet on the fridge. And I'm gonna have to unwrap Leonardo. Donatello and Raphael are the only one that I actually remember names most of the time, even though they're all super famous people. Super famous people! Ah! Come on, hold your little sword. You look super mad. Come on, focus. How cute is he? And again, Groot. I'm actually super pleased with this Loot Crate because I love these. Having so cute, so cute. Alright, thank you very much and goodbye.